Want to start using the Brightspace app for school, but not sure how? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to download and install Brightspace. Note that this video will demonstrate on iPhone, but written instructions for both Android and iOS will be listed in the description box. Now let's get started. To download Brightspace, first open the App Store. Go to the Search tab. Then type in Brightspace in the search bar. Tap Brightspace Pulse when it appears in the search results. Then tap Get. If prompted, use Face ID or enter your password to confirm that you want to download the app. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open to start using the Brightspace app. That's all it takes to download Brightspace. Want to try out an app to help you study? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.